DJI Osmo Action 3. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna be getting a new camera, and it's gonna be a review camera. You're gonna want to see it. It's gonna put this camera to shame. No, I wasn't gonna say shame. Camera is a good camera, and you know the other camera is gonna do a good job, but I don't think it's gonna be as good as the Action 3 or Hero. But you know, you never know with cameras, right? Until you try them. Alright, this camera's acting up again. Man, as soon as I hit the record button after a number of times, it's not going to insta start. DJI must not be doing a good job. You get a 2x, 4x8. I don't know if I need two, I need one. I need to get Rustolium black high gloss paint and high resistant Rustolium barbecue paint. I know I need to get a couple of anchors again, a couple of bolts and washers, but I'm not going to get it at this time. But I'm going to get most of my stuff. Suck against the starting. So here I am at Lowe's. I'm turning in. And I don't need any plants because today we're going to go see if I can get some tomatoes. I don't want flat black high resistant. I want some type of shine because that's what's on the barbecue, and I can't even get Rustolium paint black high gloss. Sold out. I don't want a little can of flat black. Everybody must be painting, and I'll get the paint I need. What else do I need? Yeah. All the shopping all sold out. If I wanted flowers, I get flowers. I want paint. I can't get paint. High resistant they don't have. They got nothing. I started my camera. Man, it took forever to turn on. I would miss these shots for sure with the Insta on not working, man. They're never going to finish work over here. They got a lot of work to be done. Gentleman wanted to help me out, look for black high gloss paint. I said, a gallon. He pulls out a quart. At least he tried, and he agrees, and he says, it ain't like it used to be here. Everything's changed. You know, you try to get something that's too much demand where we're at, and there's very little stuff in these couple of stores. So off I go out to Costco. I go to get my stuff out there. I can walk in within 2 seconds or walk out in 2 minutes. And everything's all getting ready to get going. They got the store together. And they're going to open up soon. And we were trying to guess what they were going to build. There used to be a Dwayne Reed and the Marshalls, and they went out of business. And now you just got open space here. Maybe one day this will be another store. DJI, you're a little too late, my friend. The vlog is over when you instantly come on. I don't get you. Oh, look at the gazebo. Oh, yeah. Nice and big. It's got a whole bunch of them, too. Look at that, we even got a shade. Watch that airplane coming. I'm unpacking. Just watching. There it comes. That's a biggie. We'll just watch that bad boy. Got his wheels down way before. There he comes. Paint. I'm going to go to the last resort, get a paintbrush only. Just use a little reverse psychology and you get what you want. Thanks, DJI. You worked great this time around. Now I watched Scott's review. Great gentleman. He talked about his ZV-1F, how he wasn't happy, and he loves the ZV-1. I totally agree and get what he's saying. I got no issues with my 1F, the way I use it, but I agree, again, 110%. If I use my 1F, I gotta use Catalyst Browser. No questions about it. You're gonna double, triple your time just trying to get a video up and loaded. I beat 15 minutes. I got everything I needed. It's on my shoulder, my paint, on my barbecue paint, a stick, 2 brushes, and saved $15 with a good coupon. Oh man, now the fun begins, and that's painting. I gotta continue to paint. Yes indeed, everything was all sold out, but not by my local store. I got 3 in a row, so I bought something 4th. Off I go, and I catch you on many other videos to come.